And 50% of people in this country, at least, are right of center. According to our last election, maybe even slightly more than that. And I've had many clients that have sought me out because of word of mouth. They discover that I'm not a woke counselor. And there are many people that are so fearful of even, I work with some adolescents and, families that are very fearful of bringing their adolescent to a counselor and having it just be another indoctrination session. So it's like we're doing such a disservice to 50% of the population that does not feel safe going to counseling because of how politically biased it is. And that to me is a big problem, because I still have faith and believe in the profession that I work within.
I want to jump off of Gabrielle's point right there. That's a really good point you made. I know Leslie has talked about, I think that the line was, we're not trying to treat the Trump supporter. And they haven't said that.
It was even worse than that.
Oh, what was it?
We know we're no longer training counselors who are able to work with the Trump supporter.
Yeah, I mean, they haven't said that as explicitly in my program, but there's a general idea and general attitude that Trump supporters are icky. Like you ideally wouldn't want one as a client. And certainly any therapist who voted for Trump is too, A, ignorant, and B, immoral to be able to ethically treat people. I'm wondering what you see in terms of that overt political bias.
Yeah, I mean, just that. I mean, like when I was in my program and it was during the election, and, it's like, who are the people that you would be most concerned working with? And it was like, yeah, I'm trying to think of, I don't know, I'm trying to be as fair as I can. I don't remember anybody bringing up any other population other than like some undesirable political, group. That was, everybody was perfectly fine working with people of all sort of sexualities and races and all this kind of thing. But yeah, the political stuff was very clear.